Okay, my role at SWIMBOT, I have two roles. The first role is I work with the engineers, Clément and Augustin. We try to find exercises for the SWIMBOT, which give audio feedback. The exercises we have to test to see if they work. We also try to determine different levels of difficulty so that it could be used with different levels of swimmers. My other role is with a 3D graphics designer, Nicolas. We create tutorials on swimming technique to help people how to learn how to swim. The SWIMBOT can be very useful for coaches. The main problem in swimming is communication. In other sports such as athletics or basketball, coaches can communicate with their athletes permanently. They can constantly give them information while they're doing the different moves. Swimming, we have the water barrier, so it's very difficult to give instant feedback to our swimmers. We have to wait for the swimmer to finish 25 meters or 50 meters before we can tell him something, or we try and stop him during the length, but we're wasting a lot of time and it's very difficult to correct the swimmers. The other problem is we have groups with large numbers of swimmers, so when you have a 2-hour session but you have 15 swimmers to coach, you don't necessarily accord very much time to each swimmer individually. So SWIMBOT can help you, it helps you train better your swimmers, you save time. So SWIMBOT doesn't replace a coach. This is a very important thing to understand. We'll always need coaches, and there's never going to be a device which replaces an expert coach. SWIMBOT adapts to any program. Coaches don't have to change the way they coach tomorrow because they're using SWIMBOT. If a coach is used to doing 10 times 400 or 8 times 50, he can carry on doing the same sets he's always done, because SWIMBOT simply slips into the cap and the swimmer can use it on any set. The advantage of SWIMBOT is as well, you can have several swimmers doing the same set, but you can individualize your training, because some swimmers will set the SWIMBOT to correct one stroke defect, whereas other swimmers will set the SWIMBOT to correct a different stroke defect. So you can individualize training. You can try and tackle different problems at the same time during the same session. Mainly at slow speeds, I think SWIMBOT will help swimmers to have more attention, to be more concentrated on what they're doing, because swimming up and down for a long time every day, it makes it difficult for swimmers to stay concentrated. And also at fast speeds, when swimmers are under pressure during really difficult sets, SWIMBOT's going to help them stabilize their technique. So mainly, I think SWIMBOT is a definite plus for coaches. I think an expert coach will always be a good coach, but with a SWIMBOT, he'll be able to work better.